Howdy, folks. All right, Game of the Week time at Sinclair Society, and we're going to be playing Psycho Pigs UXB. No idea what UXB stands for. I guess I should read a little bit more, but you can hear the game in the background. Just going to let it play for a little bit so you can see some of the stuff on the screen. Then I'll pan in, and I'll give the game a whirl. I kind of tried it the other day when I first posted it up in our Facebook group to say, hey, give the game a try. It's the Game of the Week, and it is hard. I just pretty much just did stuff. Click, 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 and throw, and you gotta throw bombs, and yeah. Let's pan in, and then I'll... Cool. That should work. Gotta get myself psyched up. 1. Enter to start. 1 player. Any key to skip? Yeah, I'm gonna skip. Oh shit. I think I'm this one down at the bottom left, yeah. See, I don't know. Just throw. Throw. Oh, what's the throw button? Oh, M. Ah, shit. Where the hell am I? And I don't see why you can't... Oh, see, I did pick up... Oh! Fucker. See, why can't I pick up that 21? There we go. Throw. M. I should have selected the other key here. Throw. Oh! I'm dead already! Continue game. Yeah. Let's go through the pig introductions. Ready? Blues. Lemony. Greeny. Oh, crap. I should have selected spacebar, damn it. Ah! See, I don't know what the frick I'm doing. Wait, where am I? Oh, no! I cleared around, and I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. I guess it's timed, so if I make it through the timing. Blue screen now, yay. Just go straight up. Up, up, up. Oh! Hell's bells. Oh, I didn't see 100. Damn it. See, this thing should show high scores and stuff. It doesn't. Can I go back to the beginning somehow? Oh, nope. I guess I'm playing this from here. All right. Oh! Oh! Can I go touch that? Oh! Let's just let this count to go back to the beginning. Timed out. Yep. See, I don't understand any of this stuff. So I'm going to redefine keyboard. 5 Q A O P fire spacebar. L for lie, I guess. What the hell's bells? Oh! Oh yeah, got his ass. Ha ha! Only 500 points though. Straight up. Oh! What's that thing? You get points for this? Oh, 1,000 points. Nice. Oh, get away from that 0-1. Oh, yeah! Oh, look at that. I'm getting better. Blackie Grim. Oh, hell. It's all yeller. Just up. Oh! Well, you kind of get the gist of it. That's the best I think I've ever done. I'll have to go back and look at the points, but level-wise, that's the best I think I've ever did. Nice! Cool game!